Today we're breaking down parabens, phthalates, and sulfates in plain English. No scare tactics, no chemistry lecture, just clarity. So let's dive in. You see these words on labels all the time. Parabens, phthalates, sulfates. And they have become so normal that I am convinced that most women they've just stopped questioning it. But here is the truth. If these ingredients are in your product, high likelihood they probably are, your skin probably isn't the problem. Your product is. Now you're trying to buy clean, you're reading the labels, you're doing your best. And I acknowledge that and I see that. And yet your skin still feels dry, reactive, hormonal, and inflamed. And I'm here to tell you that is not random. That's actually chemistry meeting hormones. And if you're in your 30s, 40s, or 50s, then listen up because this matters even more. Your skin right now is hormonally responsive. Estrogen plays a massive role in how your skin looks and feels. It supports collagen, it supports elasticity, it supports the lipids that keep your skin barrier strong. It's a huge part of your skin health. So when estrogen starts to decline, especially during perimenopause, your skin gets thinner, drier, and you'll notice it gets more reactive. So let's talk ingredients. Now, parabens are preservatives. They prevent mold, bacteria growth in products, and all the nasty stuff, which is good, but not necessarily good on your skin. The problem is they can mimic estrogen in the body, and when your natural estrogen is already fluctuating and declining like a roller coaster, adding ingredients that interfere with your hormone signaling is not supporting your skin. So next, there's phthalates, and usually they are hidden under the word fragrance. Now, they make the scent last longer, and they could be tricky because they're a vague label that can include anything, including hormone-disrupting chemicals your body doesn't process well. And if your skin feels unpredictable, inflamed, and suddenly sensitive, hormones are part of that story. Then there's sulfates. Okay, these are your foaming agents that we all love the lather and the feel of. They give you that squeaky clean feeling, but they also give you that tight, stripped feeling after you wash your face. That's barrier damage. And when estrogen declines, your barrier is already more fragile. So stripping your skin only promotes the dryness and the sensitivity. Now, your skin, it doesn't need to be attacked. And I'm here to tell you that it just needs to be supported, because just because something is on the shelf doesn't mean that it belongs on your skin. And why are we so casual about putting all of this stuff on our face? That's the big question. Hey, I'm Nikki Matias, and I'm a paramedical and cosmetic tattoo artist. And I have spent years working on real faces, helping people just like you heal their skin naturally and understand what it really needs to thrive without the toxins, the confusion, or the 10-step routines. So here's your homework. I want you to go grab some product from your bathroom. I want you to flip it over. And on the back, I want you to look for anything ending in paraben. Look for the word fragrance without explanation to it. Look for sodium lauryl sulfate or sodium laureth sulfate. Now, if you see these or any of them, don't panic. This is your awareness bell going off. Now you know what to look for. And this is where your power begins. Because it's truth over trend, it's healing over hiding, and it's going to be your confidence without compromise. So are you ready to step into your rebel revolution? Because if you are, be sure to like and subscribe so you can get more videos like this to learn how to take your power back in education. Because aging gracefully takes truth and a little rebellion.